We're now going to show you how simple it is to set up the AirDome. The AirDome can be used in any size pot and has the potential to increase growth rate by up to 130%. Take the 4 blue pieces of bubble pipe and connect them to the 6mm cross connector provided with your kit. Then connect the other ends of the 4 blue pieces of bubble pipe to the studs inside the AirDome. Take the 6mm clear air line and connect this to the outside of your AirDome, and then place your AirDome in your pot sitting on top of the Marix disc. Use a good quality compost mixed with a high percentage of perlite. This will aid plant growth and benefit the AirDome. Water the plants through heavily and allow them to drain. Let your plants establish for several weeks before you decide to turn on your AirDome. Once you are happy they have been established, then you can use your AirDome. Connect the other end of your 6mm clear air line to the air pump. Larger air pumps can be provided or used for larger setups. Once you are happy that the plants have established themselves in the pots, you can then use your AirDome, following the instructions on the website. As the AirDome sits at the bottom of the pot, sitting in the water, bubbles will be formed, increasing growth rate. Use the AirDome during the day only to ensure that warm air is being blown into the root zone and not cold air.